When you open the iVano player, you will be asked to sign in using your username and password. When you have signed in, you will see your iVano desktop. Click on the Jobs button, and you will see a list of all your available jobs. Click on the cogwheel, and then Options, to set up your hotkey and foot pedal options. Hotkeys are pre-assigned, however, users can modify the options by selecting the function in the pull-down menu, highlight the option, and then pressing the keys on the keyboard. Select Set, after each change to save, and OK, when you have completed all your changes. When you check the boxes in the audio player options, files can be set to play automatically when downloaded, and the player can be set to mini mode when playing files for transcript. Select the Action key, then the Download Audio option. The audio will be downloaded directly into the player. Once the voice file is downloaded, the player, in mini mode, sits on top of the Word document to allow the user to transcribe the dictation. To bring back the normal mode, click on the key with the green arrow. This gives the user the option to go back to the full list of jobs available to them, and to download the next voice file.